Welcome to Raw Timber, where raw logs become precision and tradition stands beside technology. Today, we step inside two completely different worlds that share the same mission, turning trees into boards that will shape homes, cities, and generations. High in the mountains of Oregon, wrapped in mist and pine-scented air, stands Collins, founded in 1855 during America's westward expansion. Nearly 2 centuries later, it is no longer just a lumber company. It is proof that industry and sustainability can exist together. Deep in the forest, marked trees stand ready. A modern feller buncher moves in steel grapples, locking around the trunk. In seconds, the base is severed cleanly. The machine lowers the tree gently to the ground. No chaos, no collateral damage. Technology here is not brute destruction. It is controlled precision designed to protect both workers and surrounding growth. Skidders and forwarders haul the logs across rugged terrain to staging areas. Massive trucks load up and begin the long journey to the mill. When the logs arrive at Collins's sawmill, the scale becomes overwhelming. Thousands of trunks stacked in towering walls, steam rising in morning light. This is the raw material bank that keeps production running, regardless of weather or forest conditions. The first stop is the debarker. Rotating drums strip away rough bark, revealing clean, pale wood beneath. Nothing is wasted. Bark becomes biomass fuel, mulch, or raw material for paper. Even at this stage, efficiency is absolute. Smaller logs pass through high-speed single-pass saws. In one clean motion, round trunks become straight boards. Fast, efficient, minimal waste. But the giants require something more serious. They enter the head rig, massive bandsaws with steel loops stretching dozens of meters, tension tight, spinning at incredible speed. Each cut slices through meter-thick logs with authority. A slight miscalibration could destroy value, but modern sensors and operator control keep everything exact. From there, rough lumber moves to the resaw for secondary breakdown into standardized dimensions. Where once up to 30% of a log might be wasted, Modern optimization pushes utilization above 90%. Nearly the entire tree becomes usable material. Not all logs grow straight. Nature bends, twists, and curves over decades. Collins answers with curve sawing technology. Sensors scan each log's geometry in real time. Saw blades adjust and bend to follow the natural grain instead of forcing it straight. The result: stronger boards, cleaner grain lines, less waste. It's a philosophy made mechanical work with nature, not against it. After primary breakdown, lumber enters the edger. Crooked edges are trimmed. Random shapes become square precision. What was organic and irregular becomes standardized and ready for structural purpose. Next comes automated sorting. Cameras and optical sensors scan every board down to the millimeter, measuring thickness, width, length, and grade. Gates open and close in rapid rhythm as boards drop into designated bins. Industrial choreography at full speed. Grain integrity, and structural soundness. A stamped grade is not just classification, it is a guarantee of performance. A promise that this board will carry weight, frame homes, or become furniture without failure. Automated trimmers cut both ends square, removing imperfections. Every piece leaving the mill must be straight, consistent, and ready for market. Every cut is a decision: depth, angle, rotation. Pauses between passes, studying freshly revealed grain before choosing the next move, adjusting to avoid defects, preserving the strongest sections. Here, software is replaced by instinct earned over decades. The same bandsaw handles headrig cuts, edging, and resawing. It is slower, far slower, but every board carries the fingerprint of the craftsman. Finally, boards are stacked into bundles, strapped tight with steel or plastic bands, wrapped in moisture-resistant paper, and marked with traceability codes, passports for global transport. From here, they travel across the United States and beyond, becoming floors, beams, walls, and furniture that may stand for generations. smooth surfaces with a small planer. Boards are loaded onto modest trucks and delivered directly to local farmers, carpenters, and builders. Orders may be small, just dozens of boards, but each delivery strengthens community trust built over generations. This mill is not competing with industrial giants. It is preserving heritage. It reminds us that before sensors and optimization software, human judgment powered the entire industry. From Colin's high-speed laser-guided lines producing thousands of boards per day to Ivan's steam-driven bandsaw guided by human intuition, we see two approaches that appear opposite. One uses technology to maximize efficiency and sustainability at scale. The other protects tradition and craftsmanship within a community. When you look at a finished board, you might only see smooth grain and straight edges, but behind it lies the echo of the forest, the roar of steel blades, the precision of sensors, and sometimes the steady hands of a craftsman guiding a single cut. This is the journey of timber.